You can effortlessly blend text with background images to create stunning visuals like these. Not only these, whatever you see here, you can use any picture to sit behind your text and then beautifully show up like this. Here's how to do that. You need an app within Canva called this Type Cutout. This is a premium app which will be included with your Canva Pro plan. Once you get that added, you'll scroll down here to add the text that you want to update and choose the font and the alignments here. You can also choose to have a text outline and choose its color and the thickness. Once that's taken care of, you will come over here to try a sample image that's provided here. Or you can also choose a file and then add a selected image. I'm going to use this itself for this picture. And you see that this got updated. Let's do a new one here, and then once you're satisfied with how it looks, you can click on add to design. And that's how you can get beautiful text with background images.